now. I close my eyes and the silence carries me away. I always knew there'd come a time I'd be set free. Today, that time has come for me. We can run so far.
Today, I'm going to be working on the Wagon. Not really. I'm going to just be cleaning up around it. There's such a mess, like gathering of parts around the car and underneath the car, inside the car, and I want to start building it. Now that I know that the rat rod is good, you know, it drives, it runs. We're having our next event in August, so August 1st, which is a night event, which is going to be great because the car's going to, you know, run really cool. So that'll be like the testing ground there. I'm going to go early. We're going to get a lot of footage of the car, you know, 2 hours before the event. Going to get a lot of pictures that night. So I'll have the LEDs and all that hooked up. And basically just rip, you know, hopefully shred some tires. So we'll see what happens, because that's going to be the real test, is when I actually beat that thing up. But anyways, I want to do more work to the Wagon, and so that's what I'm going to do, you know, in the next coming weeks, is I'm going to clean up around it, inside of it, spray it out, remove the frame, and start gutting the floor, start gutting the doors, gutting the under the hood, taking out all the glass. I'm not keeping any of the glass. I'm trying to get this thing on a diet and knock it down about 1,000 pounds. So everything I pull from it, I'm gonna put it on a scale and see how much it weighs, and then I'll add everything up and show you exactly, you know, what I took out. And, you know, hopefully I can get it on the scales when it's like finally assembled, and we can figure that out too. Because there are curb weights and gross weights of these cars. I think they were about like 4,400 pounds or so, something like that, back in '59. So we'll figure that out. But anyways, I'm gonna get to cleaning this mess, so I figured I'd make a video on that. It's kind of messy, but whatever. Yeah. Alright, so a little later in the day, you can see I got a mess. Basically, all the stuff from underneath the car. I mean, there's still quite a little bit left, so I gotta go through all of that. It's all this stuff that's, you know, staying, junk that's going, and it's just trash, cardboard. A lot of this was in here too. So for over like 2 years, I was just using this as storage, gathering some parts and stuff. So yeah, that's why there's junk everywhere. A lot of this stuff is going though. I don't know if I'm gonna even use the iron heads. I have a set there. I have a set there. So the motor that's going in this is gonna be in a small block Chevy. I have like 4 to choose from, so I don't know what cubic inch I'm gonna go with, because I'm gonna stick a 671 on it, but you know, figure that out later. Anyways, look at the clamshell action. Yeah. I'm gonna just pressure wash all this dirt and crap out, and then I'll sweep it up and get rid of all the other junk. So yeah, but you can see like how badly rotted the car is on the inside. These I cut out for links, but I'm gonna end up cutting all this crap out anyway. For old frames getting out. There's the 8.8 for the car. But yeah, all the old junk's coming out. And then all these windows, I'm gonna take them out. It's flexible. Taking all this out. All this is getting cut out. Inner doors on all four sides. There's a little bit of like inner structure on the quarters, but you know, I'm probably gonna cut all that out too. Firewall's coming out, transit tunnel's coming out. Dash is gonna stay though. Dash is like one of the sickest parts of this car. Spacey Jura. Thing is sick. So yeah, that's staying. Ooh, VIN tag. But yeah, so I'm gonna pressure wash this thing out. Clean rust. Perfect, just the way I like it. Anyways, it's still a little messy, whatever. All this is getting trashed anyway. One of the tires that I might be using, I don't know. But yeah, just gonna clean up the rest of this mess. And, you know, hopefully get to working on it. Possibly, maybe next weekend. Maybe not. Maybe 2 weeks from now. Who knows? Anyways, the next thing to do is take out the original frame from 59. So I gotta unbolt all the mounts from the body. Probably lift the body just a slight more. Yeah, probably gotta go up a lot. So lift it up a lot. take the entire frame out, probably hook it up to my 4Runner, then pull it out. So yeah, that's about what I'm gonna film for today. I'm just gonna clean up all this mess, get everything organized, and then you know, maybe I'll have another episode in like a week or two. We'll see. But I definitely want to start building the Edsel again, just because it'd be a lot of fun, and it's been sitting for like 2 years, so figure why not get started on it, since the rat rod's pretty good, even though it still needs a little bit of work, but it is what it is. It's over there, you know, it's over there somewhere doing its thing. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna clean up this mess and organize a little bit, and then yeah, that'll be that. But thanks, dudes, appreciate it.